Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking into the front, this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your radio controls, as well as your fuel economy. And then you can exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. You can also look at your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And you have a big old digital speedometer there too. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom of the steering wheel. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like My View, you can put any of those subcategories there for ease of access. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off. And then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay comfortable in the colder months. Then moving to the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the other end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have your 12-volt power outlet, 120-volt power outlet, and the button up here to open the glove box above your, or the compartment above your glove box. And moving down from your climate controls, you have a 12-volt power outlet and USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift your gears. And finally onto your center console, where you have 2 cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you have another lockable compartment for even more storage. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.